Hey friend, Howie here, back with another product unboxing. So I got a brand new shipment of my products. Here it is, unopened box, and I want to show you what I got in this order, and also kind of break down the pricing again for anybody out there who's looking at LiveGood, wondering, if you should buy the products. Is this wholesale membership any good or anything like that? So I'm in South Carolina, and normally it takes about 3 to 4 days for me to get my shipment for LiveGood, and it's been pretty consistent. This was 4 days, went over a weekend, and I just got it today, Monday. So let me go ahead and open up this box. And as you see in my videos before, I'll make sure not to cut myself. So if you're prone to, passing out, if you see blood, don't worry. I won't cut myself, hopefully. All right, let's go ahead and get it open here. So this is actually my first time getting the protein, so I'm pretty excited to try it. There you go, the protein powder, as you see, unopened. And I'm gonna go ahead and what I'm gonna do is I want to take the super greens and the super reds. Here's the super greens. I buy these all the time. I love them. And then also I got another order of the super reds. So I'm gonna go ahead. I haven't had these yet today, so I'm gonna go ahead and open it up for your delight. And I actually like to take them together. I take the greens, the reds, and I also have the amino acids, which I already had earlier today, and I'll put them all together and I'll whisk them up in a into my glass and drink them like that. So let me go. I got the reds here. Let me go and open up the greens. And again, I highly recommend you, if you like clean organic products, to buy these products, to at least become a wholesale member. If you don't want to become part of the network marketing business, I get it. Maybe it's not for you. I was been in network marketing before, and I didn't want I didn't want any part of the network marketing business until I realized that the products were really good, and I saw how excited my my upline, who I respect, was about this company and how it was changing, the way network marketing is done, because there's no expensive startup costs, no expensive auto ship, and also people can earn without ever sponsoring anybody, which that's unheard of. So I got a glass of water here. Sorry, I moved my camera a little bit there. Let me go ahead and move that back over a little bit. Let me go ahead and take the green. So basically, you get a little scooper here. If you didn't see my other video, I'm going to go ahead and put a little the green in there, and then some of the super reds. And I have a little whisker here that I like to use because it's whole food. So what will happen is it will settle to the bottom. So there's my reds. I'm going to go ahead and just put these down here for a second for the sake of time, because I don't want to keep you, all night here, on my video watching me stir this stuff up. But I take a little whisker here, and to me this is easy. It works just as well with a spoon, but sometimes you may need to stir it up a couple different times. So I like to use this thing and drink it up. I usually drink it pretty fast. I won't do a guzzle contest while I'm here on the video, but love the products. And again, I got into LiveGood because of the products, because they're organic, they're clean. If you're unsure, go watch the LiveGood channel. I'll put a link down in my description below. Listen to Ryan and Lisa Goodkin. They know what they're talking about. They're the ones that are behind the ingredients in the products. They're not white label products where they're just sticking a sticker on here and saying, hey, buy this wholesale, and it's crap product. It's good product. And I just really recommend it, that if you're going to buy this, I don't remember how much. Let me go ahead and minimize myself here. I wanted to show you pricing real quick. So here's the pricing. Okay, so the plant-based protein, $22. So this big container, which is comparable to most out there. So we have 16.5 ounces containers, and it says, let me see, we have 15 servings per container, and that can vary depending on the protein you buy. Sometimes it says that you have 28 servings per container. You need two scoops, 1 scoop, whatnot. So for $22, I'll take this all day long. I'm going to read more in the ingredients later. And then the super greens, $18. And then the super reds, $18. So to me, no brainer. I love it. Maybe you'll get them and you don't like them. I don't see why you wouldn't, unless you're somebody who's not used to eating healthy stuff and you're used to all the sugar. It might not be sweet enough for you, but that's the only reason I can see somebody not liking it. But you see $66.53 total, with shipping and handling. And I know some naysayers out there will say, well, with the shipping and handling and the taxes and all that, you're going to end up spending more. You're not. If you really look at the price of the product, wholesale versus what's retail out there, even with the shipping and handling, you know, you usually end up saving a lot of money. Obviously, if you're just buying like the D3, you know, the D3K2, you know, some one-off item, and you're paying the shipping on that, that's a different story than if you live far away. But if you're buying several items at the same time, and you know, and then you do the shipping and handling, it makes more sense to do it that way. And again, if you're somebody who's looking at LiveGood, thinking about possibly joining as a business, just remember, you don't have to buy anything. Your $9.95 a month membership keeps you active in the matrix, or you can retail $50 every single month. That's up to you, whatever you want to do. But that $9.95 keeps you active. And one of the biggest reasons people will quit network marketing is because they have this expensive monthly auto ship that's coming up that's forcing them to buy a bunch of products, and then they're not recruiting enough people, or they're not making enough sales in order to really make any money, and they have to shut off their auto ship because they have to keep their electric, you know, their lights on, or they need to keep their air on, or whatever it may be. They have other expenditures that they need to take care of. So I highly recommend the product. So if you're someone watching this video and you've been thinking about getting a membership, just wondering if the products are any good, I'm going to put a link below. You can become a wholesale member through that link. And I would say just buy the products. It's $9.95 per month, and you're going to access to pricing like this to get clean, organic products. To me, I was pleasantly surprised when I got my products. Again, I saw this company. I didn't know what it was going to be, if the products were going to be any good, if they were just going to be white label garbage, and they're not. They're really good products. And again, I would invite you to do more due diligence. Click on the link below. Go to the LiveGood channel. Watch Lisa and Ryan Goodkin talk about the products and what they put into their products and how that helps you, you know, live a healthier lifestyle, how it helps your body. I'm really into reading labels. It's important to me. There's a lot of junk and crap in our food out there, and I thought these are going to be junk products, and I was pleasantly surprised that they're not. If you're a business builder, there'll be another link below the product link. If you click on that, you can take the free tour and you upgrade. I'll get an email saying that you upgraded, and I'll make you a personal video, and I'll get you the information to get you plugged into our team site, and get you connected, and you know, help you build if that's what you're looking to do. So with that being said, thank you for watching my video. I hope this was helpful in your due diligence, you know, for LiveGood products or the LiveGood business in, you know, in its entirety. You know, I'm going to continue to do these videos because I love what I see with LiveGood. You know, there's a lot of noise out there because LiveGood's growing really fast and upsetting a lot of people in the industry. But so far, my experience has been phenomenal with the products, with the company, with the people. So do your own due diligence. If you liked who I was, you like the value that I'm providing on my channel, I invite you to become a wholesale member with me. You can become a retail member too if you want to pay the, you know, the full pricing for these products. But for $9.95, I'd recommend you go wholesale. Or, you know, if you want to join me in the business, again, I invite you to join us. Just know, if you've been in network marketing before, you failed, and you're like, am I going to get help? You absolutely 100% will get help from me and our team if that's what you want. You know, I'll connect with you, and, you know, we can talk about what you're looking for, you know, and that kind of thing. So again, Howie Perks here. Thank you for watching my video. I will continue to make more, and stay tuned.